Island, the number of cases totals near 60,000, with a combined death toll nearing 2,300 in Suffolk and Nassau counties. We've come to describe our healthcare workers as heroes, and they certainly are, but the story of what they have been up against day in and day out is perhaps best told by them. News 4's Long Island reporter Greg Cergol spoke to two workers who recorded video diaries of their days, and Greg joins us now live from Huntington. Greg?
Well, David, these two women are among the many caring for hundreds of patients here at Huntington Hospital. As you said, they gave us a brief glimpse into their world, a world in which they're not only fighting to keep people alive, they're also fighting to contain their own fears and emotions.
Today I have 5. The other day I had 7.
For Nurse Christina Listing, it's the start of another 12.5-hour shift here at Huntington Hospital.
Physically and emotionally draining. You're living the same thing every day.
For weeks now, her hospital floor has been packed with COVID-19 patients. Her existence, a daily life and death struggle.
We're seeing patients decline quickly. It gets very emotional for us. We cry, we have anxiety.
Eerie, upsetting, overwhelming. I mean, it's nothing I've ever seen before.
Ultrasound technician Colette ECCHER runs tests on COVID patients every day.
I'm checking to make sure there's no blood clots.
The stress of her work multiplied by the fear that she could bring the virus home to her husband. Listing shares that same terror, a concern that forces this mom of 2 to do the unthinkable.
I don't kiss my children. I haven't kissed my children.
Just the thought of what she's missing brought her to tears.
Overall, COVID patients in the hospital are down.
There are signs things are getting better. Some units are now clear of COVID patients, and Huntington Hospital will soon be discharging its 500th recovered patient. But talk of reopening New York, these women say, needs to be tempered.
You need to be weeks with lower numbers before you begin to open things slowly, little by little.
Outside this hospital, signs cheering the staff here pop up every day. That support, these women say, gives them the strength to go on.
Wow, like I feel like I'm making a difference.
I guess you could say we're heroes, but this is what we're made to do.
Now keep in mind, a 63-year-old nurse here at Huntington Hospital has already died of the virus, but the staff here continues to come to work. And in a couple of hours, David, folks will be lining the street here in front of the hospital as they do every night to cheer those workers and simply say thank you. We're live in Huntington. Greg Cergol, News 4 New York.